everybody, my name is tommy777, and today I'm here with my friend Rebecca and my friend Sarah. We're doing Being Boozled challenge, and will you press the button?
What's up?
Hi.
I just threw something.
I stole her jacket. Yeah, and if we pick the one that most people did not pick, then we have to do a spin.
Yeah,
but if we pick the one that most people did pick, then we're good. And we're gonna go from youngest to oldest. Wait, no, oldest
to youngest.
I'm oldest to wait.
I'm next, and then she's next.
You're the youngest?
Yeah, she's the youngest of all of
Okay,
us.
so she stole my jacket back. I said that.
I wouldn't be wearing my Five Nights at Freddy's jacket.
Creeper. No, they can still both my jackets now because I pointed it out.
Yeah, thanks.
Yep. Okay. So you get to meet a whole cast of Breaking Bad. I don't watch the show. You don't get to see the last episode.
Don't watch it, so it doesn't matter.
Yep.
I have a feeling a lot of people are going to disagree with you, though.
Okay, so 44% of people press the button.
Okay, you're fine.
Yeah, I'm good. So that was your question. Okay, now it's Sarah. So move it, Rebecca.
I'm fine. She can.
Okay. I'll choose it for you. You can teleport at any time. You must be naked when you do it. Will you press the button, Sarah?
Do I really have to think about this? I think I do.
No or yes? Will you press the button? My cousin pressed the button.
I'm not gonna press it.
Nope.
I'm gonna press that though.
Okay, so let's see. 71.
Oh, I gotta take it. I gotta do it.
Okay.
Alright.
Spin.
I was thinking about doing it, but
Okay, so it's juicy pear or booger.
Yeah. I hate both.
Okay, let's see. It's hate pears.
Same.
This one. Here we go, Sarah.
I hate all.
And we have to eat them. We have to.
The only ones I want are the blue ones.
Booger is a booger or a juicy pear?
I only want the blue ones.
I can't tell.
It'll kick in soon.
Juicy pear?
Juicy pear?
I guess.
Okay, so now it's Rebecca's turn.
Oh, good lordy, lordy, lordy.
Stop complaining. Okay, you know the existence of God and the afterlife. Wait, you know that? Yeah, you know the existence of God and the afterlife. You cannot tell anyone. Yeah, I'll press the button. Yeah, she will. Okay, so how many people press the button?
Oh, you're lucky.
24.
Yes, that was good.
Yep. Yeah, that was a good one. My turn. I'm scared. Okay, so you will become ripped and you look exactly how you want. I'm fine the way I am. An unknown 1-day-old ill African child is killed.
No.
Nope.
I would not do that.
No, don't kill someone. No. Okay, 60% of people have pressed this button.
Oh, you have to take it.
What is wrong with people?
Here, I'll flick it for you.
What is wrong
I'll be
with
the flicker.
people?
Hey, lay in the middle. Oh.
Come on, Sarah.
There you go.
I can feel the air on the bit.
Okay. Wait.
Oh no.
Caramel corn or moldy cheese?
Caramel corn or pick which one does it look like? Let me see.
It basically looks like.
Oh, good.
This
lordy.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to. We have to eat it. Why did I make that rule?
Cause.
We need cups. Get 3 cups.
No.
Yes.
No, I ate mine. You have to eat yours.
I might just swallow it.
No.
I thought, oh.
Oops, that was a bad decision.
Yeah.
Stop it.
I'm guessing moldy cheese?
No, Dick Sherlock. I'm dying. Oh, I need to spit it out.
No.
Oh no, I have to. I'm gonna throw up.
Hang on.
Hurry, please. No, those are dirty.
Damn.
Get a cup. A cup. Go spit it. Go pour it out in the bathroom and get me that cup.
Where did you see it?
On my bed.
The
The green cup on my bed. Oh my god. I'm dying.
Sorry.
Run. I can't. Oh my god.
Put it out of your hand.
Oh, where did it go? Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Do I smell my breath?
No!
Hurry up.
Ask that question.
If you keep saying hurry up, I'll just go slower.
Oh, I'm gonna be.
Close the door. Now walk over here and this will be our pickup.
Yep. It's stuck in your teeth. No more high fives for you. You just like shoved your hand in your moldy cheese mouth.
I'm dying. It's stuck between my teeth. Sarah, your turn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit bad.
Bad. Oh god, that's long. Why is it long?
Okay, you can create an entirely new paradise, like planet like a god, with whatever flora and flora and you choose. Fauna you
I have
choose,
no idea
and
what those
move
are.
the life from Earth to a new planet. Only 25% of life on Earth, both humans and animals, can be animals can be moved to the new planet. The rest of the Earth will explode. Sure, like 25%. She's crazy.
Yeah.
People can repopulate that Earth.
Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds so weird.
Yes! Free! I'm safe.
My turn. Give me the dice. I mean the
dice?
Shut
The
up.
dice!
Everyone wants you.
Everyone wants you to go on a date with you. Anyone who says no dies. You say no to dies.
But some of those people could have been really good people. I don't know.
No,
stop! Like, I don't know. Some people do deserve to die.
Okay,
Oh, you're
so
lucky. By like 2 points? No, 3.
49 people pressed the button. 51 did not. Wait, that means this one's greater.
You're safe.
yeah, you're
Yeah,
safe.
I'm safe.
Good.
Someone
Your turn.
in the comments said say 9 and they won't die. Because you're not
Oh,
saying
yeah.
no. You're not saying no.
Let's just skip this
Let's
one.
skip that one. Skip that
Bad.
Yeah, let's not do one that says that.
Okay, so now
one. Did not see
you'll
that.
gain $1,000 every time you press a button. You just like press all these buttons. However, the
All
person
of them.
closest to you will gain £1 and never be able to lose it. Sarah, you better not. I swear to God. Don't press the button. She's closest to you. No.
Hey guys.
Please don't press the button.
Well, you just gained £1. I thought I would only press the button once.
No, thank you.
I will
like
not. Fine.
Thank you.
Even though people are going to disagree, I'm probably going to take one.
69% of people pressed this button.
Give me the spinner.
Where's the spinner?
Sun pockets.
What did you do with the
Where did the spinner go?
I don't know. It's right there.
Oh, give me. I'm the spinner.
No,
flavor.
not when you do it. Not when you do it.
Considering I haven't got one, let me use my luck.
Okay, here. Yeah, your luck. Wait, it's caramel corn or moldy
Moldy
cheese.
cheese.
It's horrible. It's
This?
yeah. Good luck.
My turn.
Oh, jeez.
Well, that's not fair. You can take it.
It's my turn.
It's moldy cheese.
How did she do that?
Is it good or bad?
Really good. Okay. It's load already.
Okay.
It's your turn. Bacon is now healthy, and it tastes the same. It costs $10 per slice strip, no matter what.
Press the button.
It's worth it.
Bacon.
It's worth it.
It is.
49% of people
What?
pressed this button.
What? Who doesn't want
Done.
people? How would you not want
Done.
bacon?
Just spin.
I'm the spinner. I'm the spinner.
Fine, here, I can't spin it.
Yep.
Neither of y'all can spin it.
Whatever. I can't spin it.
You gotta hold the corner with
I
your
am
finger.
holding one.
Drop
I'm
it.
stuck in this right now.
Just give it. Kylie will watch me.
It
Alright.
worked.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
It's this one.
Damn it.
It's the very colorful one.
Actually, I probably won't be able to taste the stinky socks, considering my brother shoved a stinky sock in my mouth. He's so evil. But I love my brother. Ew, stinky sock.
Yes.
You want to spit it out?
I guess this is my spit cup. I'm the only one who can't take it.
Yeah.
My turn, right?
Yeah.
No!
Duh.
Come on, load. Okay.
Alright.
You have to power and you have the power to heal any person of their sickness. Yes.
Now.
Yeah. This sickness is transferred every time I do a video with someone. They mention mouth. The sickness is transferred to someone else who is perfectly healthy. I will not.
But you can just keep healing them.
Yeah, and then go back and forth. 44% of people.
Oh, you're lucky.
Yeah, thank you.
My turn.
Yes. I'm waiting for one that'll get Sarah. I hope she gets the
Bark.
skunk.
Skunk, I was able to handle.
No,
Bark
I was
wasn't.
playing this game with Cadence. But on Halloween, she got skunk spray. Her breath smelled like that all Halloween night.
What's going on?
You look great. Wait, just
It-
skip
just
it. Just skip it, I
Yeah,
guess.
I think I accidentally clicked it somehow.
Probably.
Wait, hold on. Okay, we're back.
They're making me skip out
It's
on the
new.
Fall Out Boy song. I'm mad at them right now.
Okay, when we answer this, don't worry, we'll let you.
You couldn't remember. You could remember everything that you learned. You couldn't love.
I do not.
Okay. Good fate.
Yeah, we're gonna pet shopping.
I'm fine.
Okay. Yeah. People have. Okay.
So basically Sherlock.
Huh?
Someone in the comments said, so basically Sherlock.
Yeah. I just said no dip, Sherlock.
Yeah. Yeah, it's this one's
Oh,
turn.
no.
You get. Wait, is it mine?
Nine.
No, yours. You get to live in a flat. Wait.
A flat is like a small house, I guess.
Oh, you get to live in a flat with your best friend, and you go and an adventure nearly every day. On an adventure every day. Every partner you have thinks you're gay with your best friend and leaves you.
They just yelled.
And we're back again without Rebecca. Here we go. Now we have Rebecca. Sarah likes the Fall Out Boys. So we have to go downstairs so that because it's still.
I will not.
It's
54.
You're
Okay,
lucky.
I'm lucky.
It's still New Year's. Happy
No,
New
it's her
Year's
turn.
2016. My turn?
It was your turn.
It is your turn. No, it was my turn.
Yeah, it was her turn. That was my turn.
Whatever.
Check that one. I like that one. Oh wait, you didn't get to see it. 46 people have pressed this button, and you did not, so you're good. Okay, you could pilot a huge purple-green robot, F up huge monsters, and save the world. Live with a MILF and a redhead. Don't need to take care of school. You would be the stupid a-hole, full of pathetic. Wait, and you blame your father for this.
A vengeance. Or
A
vengeance. Eh.
No.
Sure, the first part would be awesome, but no.
So 36%
You're
press
luckier.
this. Oh, good.
Now me. Now me.
What is
Happy
it?
New Year's! Happy New Year's! Woo! There's a moldy cheese. Smell.
So much cheese.
Smell.
Oh, it does.
You have the ability to turn back time. You can only go back an hour into the past. You can only be used once per day. Oh, you can only use it once per day. Every time you use this power, the person you love the most loses a month of their lifespan. However, that hour could be used to save their life. No.
I don't want to take away my friend's life.
No, who's the person that you love the most?
That's a hard choice.
Yeah, I know.
Because I love all my friends.
I love Jesse.
Her boyfriend. Hi, Jesse. I know you're watching.
Hi. I'm gonna stop them.
And I know we're.
Ow!
Why does that always happen to me?
Oh, I'm so racist, guys, but I love
She
them.
slapped me as soon as I got here.
I did.
Yeah, we're having
I kept yelling at her over freaking.
So you bully your mom?
No.
No. Okay, let's see. How many people did not?
What if they died an hour ago and you go
46%.
back
I'll
and
take one.
see the thing.
Oh yeah, I threw it on the ground. I threw it on the ground running after Fall Out Boy.
She's obsessed.
So am I, but I would
Oh,
rather
yes.
set it off be playing because it's more for cheap things.
Oh my god, it is.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Okay.
Wait, is it this? Last time I played this, I got canned dog food. I practically
Sure,
had
then?
it. I
Yeah,
practically
I'm
had
sure.
to drink a bottle of mouthwash.
Get forward. I don't know if the camera can fully see it. What is it? It smells like dog food.
It's dog food.
Ew.
Ew. Okay, so it's your turn, Rebecca. Don't you?
Wow.
Hey, Kylie.
Huh? You get $12 million. You can only pay in pennies.
Press the button.
Just like cash it in and replace it, right? Yeah.
I'll make you live back the memories.
No.
You're lucky.
I've only had one pain.
We're just looking at it like
I just
no.
punched her in the head like no.
Okay, so it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
If you pressed that red button, you gain $quadrillion offered by the president.
Wait, they're
President?
both red buttons though.
Got a point.
You are told by the president to buy only things cheaper than cheapest candy.
No.
No, thank you.
You could get everything on sale. I like sales.
Oh, you're lucky.
Yeah.
My turn? Okay.
What's that?
It's my turn.
I never said I have to listen to him. That person's smart. Okay, you have the ability to go Super Saiyan. Give us an example.
No.
Every time you do, you have diarrhea. No. That would be ridiculous. That would be funny. Okay, so.
Oh god dang it.
I hope we get barf. Dang it, one after it. Peach or barf? Yes.
Wait a minute. So she didn't press the button, right? 56% didn't press the button, but 44 did.
Oh, never mind, I'm fine.
Dang it!
I'm stupid. I thought it was the other way.
Thank you, Rebecca. Bad question.
Thank you, Rebecca.
I need a reaction out of you. Okay.
I'm too awesome.
Your turn, Rebecca. I hate you.
Hey!
I hate you now.
Your arm in
Aim.
your aim in
FPS.
FPS gaming would be as good as an aimbot. You can only go on your computer for 10 minutes a
Do
day.
you even know what FPS means?
No.
First person shooters.
Oh!
Idiot!
And this is my channel. You just humiliated me.
I pressed the button.
I'm the true gamer. And why do I still have this freaking collar on?
She pressed it, not me.
27% did. 73.
Overkill.
I should go. Oh, damn it! I pressed the button.
If the people who did press the button had like one more percent.
You have caramel corn or moldy cheese.
Hmm.
Which one is that?
Wait. She really shouldn't take that one since that's cheese.
No, it's just taste.
Alright.
I hate cheese.
Wait, is that the one? It's right there. Well, it's not the one. This one is speckled. No, look.
So
It's
you're
like
sure you
white.
can have that cheese? She's lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I am.
That's why I'm
But
freaking
this is
out.
only the flavor.
I think that it actually might be. It's more like cheese.
Let me
Wait.
see it.
Just look at it again.
Okay. You get. Oh, you're lucky.
Yes.
She gets berry blue or toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Which I'll eat anyway. Yeah.
I want to have one of those too.
I bet.
Hey.
Hey. You want one?
Hey, I can still taste the moldy cheese.
I really don't have
Not
a
very
taste, but
blue.
I have taste.
Berry blue.
You toothpaste.
Perfect.
Needed that. No, I needed that to get that other taste out of my mouth.
My turn.
Yeah.
No.
think you should take 2 since you took one. Since you took one on her turn. Hey, I'm
You
scared.
have the most attractive person on earth. Wait, you are the most attractive person.
You have the most attractive person.
What was this? You are almost completely and droggerous.
No idea.
When people are constantly debating your real gender.
People are constantly debating my real gender. No, thank you. I'm
Oh.
fine with the way I
No,
am.
we kept calling her Kimberly.
I slapped
We were doing a role play.
Yeah, in real life kind of deal.
We
but
had a couple sodas.
Wait.
yeah.
You didn't press the button, right?
I did. Wait. Yeah, I didn't.
Yes! You have to take one!
Yes!
No, let me say.
Sorry for my little freak out.
Lime or long clippings?
Good enough. Is it the green one?
Yeah.
Long clippings is fine too.
I've never actually had those.
Me and
I've
my
never
friend
Lime.
literally used to
Lime.
put, for some reason, after somebody had cut the grass, we for some reason went out there and put long clippings.
Really?
She actually shoved them into my mouth.
Oh,
Actually, this is long clippings. It's not that bad.
Great.
Alright, my turn.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Bad. Good. Bad. Good. Bad.
Long
Just
clippings.
press good.
Come on,
That
load.
would be
Every female wants to have sex.
I'm a male, so I'm gonna skip that. I'm a female, so I'm gonna skip that
How
question.
about
Just skip
this
it.
includes family.
No.
Let's just skip
Can we
this.
skip this one? Yes, please, just skip it. Just skip it,
Bad.
guys. Skip.
Bad. Fucking bad.
Why are you cursing?
Wait,
'Cause
wait.
it's me.
This is what it says. This is what comment says.
So just
So
because my family member wants to
doesn't mean I have to.
Good point.
All right.
You don't suffer you don't suffer withdrawals, effects, or health problems when taking any drugs. Oh, that's cool.
You can get arrested for using it.
You can get arrested.
How would they
for using
know if I don't get affected by it?
it. Yeah, how would they know?
Yeah.
So you want to press the button?
Wait, this is this is Sarah's.
You almost called me Rebecca.
I was talking to Rebecca. I thought it was Rebecca's turn. It's your turn.
No,
Yeah, it's your
we
turn.
skipped that one.
Oh yeah, it's still your turn.
So button or no?
Nah.
No button.
Nah.
I would.
I
When I get
would
older.
too, but meh.
50. Oh.
Oh, I'm safe.
You were lucky.
It's
really
Fix.
close.
Fix.
Stillness. Alright, your turn, Rebecca.
How does it look?
It's fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. It doesn't feel right. It's on right. Okay. You have the ability to read minds. You are a cat.
Yes!
You would
Yes! Yes!
You would of course take that.
Yes!
Of
She's
course.
dressed in a freaking ocelot
Yeah.
jacket.
What
Are
would
you
you
kidding
expect?
Okay, so 59% of people press the button. You're good.
That
Yeah.
41% hates cats.
I
That's
despise that.
That'd be me. I'm joking.
We just look fine. We're like, no.
It's like, really?
I love dogs though, so I would not choose them.
Okay, it's my turn, right? You will receive several $1 million properly invested to your you read. I can hear you.
You will receive several $1 million properly invested to last the rest of your life, but your mind will be erased and you will have to grow up all over again in an adult body.
I'm not. No.
Alright, I spend just in case you get one. I spend it, girl.
I hate you.
You did not. That's it. You're okay.
People. Yeah, I'm good.
If you got it wrong, it would have been booger or just Alright, my turn.
You can
Parkour.
Perfect. Everybody throws Bix at you when you were running.
I can dodge.
Yeah.
Press the button. I dodge.
Just imagine doing that in Minecraft, like a pro parkour, and then everyone's throwing Bix. It's not like it's gonna actually hurt
I
you.
have to take something. Spin it.
That went away.
Not yet.
Juicy pear or booger? Wait. Yeah. So,
Okay.
which one is that? Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one, right? Here's Sarah. Let's see if we can booger.
You say pear.
Dang it.
I had booger the last time we did this. It didn't faze me.
You said it was pear.
No, I meant I had booger the last time we did this.
Oh.
This is my turn.
Oh my
Yes!
god.
You become a Hogwarts wizard, but Voldemort kills you. Oh.
She's obsessed with Harry Potter.
She
She's
is.
a perfect.
Why?
Have you
I
seen her
don't wanna
glasses?
die.
Have you seen her glasses?
They're circle glasses for Harry Potter.
I actually had these made for her, these circle ones, because they didn't have any, and they had to stretch the lenses for them.
Okay.
I don't want to press the button because I don't want to die in the second year because I want to learn how to frag your spouse.
What is with your face?
Frag your spouse. But then again, I also want Snape to be my teacher because Snape is the best teacher.
And she's
ever.
obsessed with Draco Malfoy. She's in love with him.
Shut the
I said dead serious.
serious black.
He died.
I'm a jerk. I'm sorry.
30 people press the button. 70. Oh
You're
wow.
lucky.
You're good.
You're lucky.
Yay! I'm not gonna die.
Give me this.
Good.
This is mine.
Stop doing that. Go good. Eh. I burped.
All I saw the first time when I read that it was Hogwarts Wizard.
The entire world is united into one country. The government adapts communist politics policies that nobody can rebel against. No.
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 Nobody likes the government.
Nobody. Well, some people. Crazy people. 31% people. I am good.
Yeah.
I'm acting really weird today.
Yeah.
We had like 2 cans of soda, then a bunch of
A cake,
Cupcakes.
cupcakes, and
Cupcakes.
and then we had like these what do you call them? The sugary drinks, like not sodas.
They're kind of
like cocktails,
but
they're
for
for
kid friendly. It was
Doesn't have
amazing.
alcohol.
Don't worry, we're not drinking or
No.
anything.
No,
it's
it's
for, like,
kid-friendly cocktails. No alcohol.
So much juice. And
Wait, who's trying to say
watermelon
it's mine?
flavored.
Yeah,
Strawberries.
you know everything in the you know everything in the universe,
I'll press the
including the
button.
meaning of life. Does God exist, etc. You can never tell anyone.
Okay.
Sure?
Yeah.
You want to tell me?
Probably.
Actually, if you knew everything, you'd figure out a way to be able to tell someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait.
Hey,
74
I'm fine.
did it.
I'm fine.
You're good.
The meaning of life is 42. Yes! Someone got that reference. I'm sorry. It's from a movie.
I have no
Yeah.
idea what that movie is. You have a perfect body for the rest of your life. Everyone else is fat and ugly.
No.
I bet you're gonna lose this one.
Yeah.
'Cause some people are a-holes.
It's just messed up.
So 35% of people press this button.
Ooh, you're fine.
Wow. People are nice people.
Yeah, for
People are
once.
jerks. 35% of this population are jerks. I hate them.
Well, everybody who's played this game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about nothing. I don't know what I was thinking about.
Alright, Kylie. Alright.
You breeze through a college, getting an A+ in every class. Little effort needed. Yes. During college, you have no social life to speak of.
No, social life means no us.
And reaching for a mouse. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna be with you guys in college. That's
60
it.
people did. Oh.
I chose my friends, and I'm bad.
Alright.
Oh.
I hate you, Sarah.
I know you hate me. I'm just
What'd you get?
Picture barf!
You don't have to eat it if you want.
You don't have to.
But I can't be a wimp on TV. Or
TV? You were not on TV!
If I can barf, I'm barfing it up.
Not on me. Not on me.
No.
Do it on the one who did it to you.
Yes.
No, you're the one who hugged her first. Say choose friends, choose
It's going on
friends.
you.
Don't worry, I'll put it in the cup.
You You would rather.
I love.
She dropped it. I just eat it off the floor.
And where'd it go?
Far away.
I don't know. Shoot another one.
Probably under someone's foot.
I don't care. Let's just get another. I felt it with my foot. I'm not eating it now. It's got my feet all over it. So this one. Dropped it again. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I swear to God, that was peach. And this one's barf.
Hilarious.
What are the chances? Don't jinx it for yourself.
It's barf.
I said it fell on the floor. Oh God! I only needed to bite it.
Here you go.
There's the toothpaste.
Sorry, I had to get her toothpaste or else she's gonna be like
Toothpaste.
whining. You're welcome. I have a good pick.
We'll do one more round. So it's gonna be Sarah, Rebecca, and then me again, and then we're gonna end because it's been 30 minutes already.
Alright.
Oh wow.
Wow.
It's been half an hour, guys. Yeah.
Oh.
Time passes when you're having fun.
Yeah,
My chewed up barf is on the floor. I gotta find it.
You freed yourself from an abusive relationship, but you lose all your friends.
No. I can't lose my friends.
Where'd it go?
Try not to laugh.
You free yourself from an
I
abusive.
already know.
45 people
good.
pressed the button. Yeah, okay.
I want to be able to live without
Hold
my
on, what
friends.
does it say? If they aren't there after you get out of an abusive relationship, then they aren't.
part of the problem. What?
Yeah.
I have no idea what they're talking about.
Then they were part of the problem.
What time is it?
It's 2:22.
It's 1:22.
1:22. Whatever.
Yeah, Happy New Year's! It's been New Year's for about an hour and 22 minutes. See?
I said burp.
Or 23 minutes now. I'm gonna fall. You scooch
Oh.
over. Was it your turn? Mm-hmm. You become the smartest person who has ever lived or ever will live. No one will ever take you seriously and will see you as a moron.
People are just saying me more sometimes.
So yeah.
Press the button!
I won't take you like that. I promise.
I never would.
She knows that I'm
Even
telling the
if you
truth.
said
It's kinda
aliens
creepy.
exist only inside our brains. I don't
Kind
know.
of creepy. She
46%
believes
of
she
people
knows when I'm
pressed
lying.
this button.
54 did not.
You had to take it.
Wait, did you press the button?
Yes.
Alright.
Spin it, Sarah.
I would
My
rather people
finger.
take me as a moron.
Alright, you got butter popcorn or rotten egg.
Is it this one?
Yes. I believe, yeah.
Have fun. Spit cup.
It smells like burp.
I know.
You have to chew it. You have to eat it.
More than juice. Rotten egg, sorry. I'm gonna say rotten
I
egg.
don't want to smell it.
I'll smell it.
Rebecca.
Fell off her chair. Dropped it.
Okay, next. My turn and the last turn. Sarah is now tickling Rebecca in the background. Let's get on with this. You get the best PhD gram in the world. What the heck is that?
What?
PhD program in the world.
I don't know.
I'm gonna skip this because I have no idea what it is.
I can't remember.
Oh, that's terrible. I'm gonna take a blue one real quick.
Right there. I'm gonna take a blue one too.
Stop doing that.
I think we ate them all.
Hey, at the end
No,
of the video, can I take a whole handful?
Yeah, at the end of this, after I do my turn, you can take a whole handful.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. One more turn. You can switch the lights on and off. I can do that.
already.
Like, go. You will be blind in 1 minute after every time you use it.
Okay.
I
I kind of like every time I look at the
I
light,
can
I kind of blind
already.
myself.
Okay, look at this dude. I don't know if you can see it, but he's a little light thing. I just turned it off. I just turn it on, turn it off, and I'm not blind, so I am perfectly fine. So I will not. You having fun with my little spaceman?
Now I am.
Okay, so 35 press the button. I'm good. Okay,
All
Sarah, she's taking a whole handful, so we're gonna have her sit down where we
Wait,
are.
let me take one more blue so I can take any more.
Really?
I don't want to lose
You're
the
gonna steal the blue one?
Move it. Don't forget.
Rebecca,
No.
no blue.
Mo! Turn it off. Sorry. Turn on the screen.
A handful. Whole handful. Go ahead. Do it.
Just to show them actually.
More,
Oh
more,
God!
more than that. More
I
than
know,
that.
I
Come
know.
on. Okay. Show the camera. I don't know if I can see it, but there's a lot.
No idea if you can see it, but there's a lot.
All of it now.
But there's no blue.
I know.
It's green.
Now.
Got that one.
Oh God.
You dropped one. I took out lime or long clippings one. Long clippings. Cool.
Come on.
The strongest one in the room.
You gotta have some kind of reaction. I mean, you can't be like that.
Immortal.
How are you This person is a boss. How are you doing that?
Ooh, lime.
She fell in her chair. I don't think the camera's that wide. So. How are you eating that? Oh my God, your breath.
Guys, I can't get up.
Spit that out, Sarah. Your breath. Just do it. Spit it out now.
Oh,
Oh God. Oh Lord.
I can't get up out of this chair. It's a slingy chair.
Your breath really smells now, Sarah. Like really bad.
Mine now smells like a grass.
You're gonna need to brush your teeth after this.
I'm fine.
Oh God. Smell the cup. I dare you.
I don't want to smell this.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. My name is.